I'm Charles. Today I'm going to show you how to modify the Bosch Ratchet to a Leatherman bit adapter ratchet.
Alright, so a quick measurement of that. Pretty much spot on. And if you look, it's just a little bit wider than the Leatherman's. So, got my lines of thinking. Could I have one of my favorite Leatherman tools, the skeletal, with a ratcheting bit adapter? I determine the length I want, right dead center. Alright, what I've got here, a little jig that I've made up, holds the tool in there. You kind of tap it in to make sure it's parallel. Use this guide for your 30-degree angle. File just a few times on one side, flip it over, file on the other side. What this does is it keeps that 30-degree angle. Then you flip it over here, get the opposite side, like this. Same thing over here. What we're shooting for is the same profile of the Leatherman bits. So what I'm doing is following just a little bit and measuring, comparing it to Leatherman bits, which you're looking at 0.28, and then of course when they're rotated on a 30-degree you're looking at 0.25. So here on this one, a little bit more to go there. If I'm keeping my 30-degree, right there's about the tip off, so I'm a little bit high on both sides. So a little bit more filing, a little bit more measuring, trying to get it just right. Now using a triangular rasp, I'm going to make the little notch for the bit retention. That way when it's in the tool, engages the little clip. Keeps it retained in there. Of course, I'll make that on both sides on both the little tools and be set. And with the ratcheting bit adapter that I made, still allows you to pocket carry your skeletal. And I think it's got the added benefit of when you open it up, it gives you something to catch it on to open up the pliers. And you've got full use of the pliers. Gives you an added little extension there to get more grip on it. And then it comes time to close it up. Close it up. Still pocket carry. Bostitch ratchet driver Leatherman modification I made. Basically took the wrench, cut it off, ground it down so that it matches the same profile as the Leatherman bits. Fits right in there, you got the retention and everything. Still can use the plier function, in fact a bit better now that you don't have the bit into your palm. Still retain the knife. And the best thing about this is it does retain the Leatherman bits. It's got the detent in there. Reversible. And it fits all the Leathermans with the Leatherman bit adapter or function there. When you have them here, they will still fit in the case if you needed to. And then this does fit in the little mag-like pouch on the Leatherman pouches. So the surge as well. And you also have the small non-ratcheting 1/4" drive. You can't quite get it to where it would line up because of the offset. It does close, but you have to force it a bit. But you could use that in some tighter situations if need be. And then also comes with the magnetic bit holder, but also modified. And again, comes with all the bits and the case. Hold everything in. Doesn't quite click into place anymore since it's in 2 pieces, but it will hold it. You've got the belt clip that rotates as well. And this was the Bosch 32-piece bit wrench set that I got for $19.82. So under $20 you can have all that you can modify into your own Leatherman ratcheting bit adapter. And thanks for watching, and as always, enjoy.